Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure the wireless adapter is active and you have the network name and password. Open Settings Network and Internet Wi-Fi. If you don't see Wi-Fi, check Device Manager for the adapter and enable it. Once done, click the Wi-Fi tile to reveal available networks. This is the first actionable step because without a visible adapter or credentials, you can't proceed. Make sure airplane mode is off and that you're logged into a local or admin account so settings can be changed. Next, pick the correct SSID from the list and click Connect. Double-check the network name to avoid captive portals. Enter the Wi-Fi password carefully, case and symbols matter, then press Next. Windows will ask if you want the network to be private or public. Choose private for home and trusted networks so device discovery is allowed. If the network uses advanced settings like static IP or enterprise authentication, open Network and Sharing Center and configure IP4 or 802. 1x settings accordingly before finalizing. Finally, verify connection status in Settings and confirm Windows shows an IP and Internet access. Open a browser to test. If there's no Internet, toggle the Wi-Fi adapter off and on or restart the router. That often resolves DHCP or routing glitches. If problems persist, run the Windows Network Troubleshooter for stepwise diagnostics and check for driver updates in Device Manager. One key tip: replace the saved network and reconnect if authentication keeps failing. It clears cached credentials and often fixes stubborn.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.